If you look at many of the buildings that are around us today, you can see that some or all of the waterproofing on those buildings has been carried out using lead sheet. It's a very flexible material that can be moulded into complex shapes by bossing or by cutting the lead and welding it. Like all metals, it expands and contracts, so if you're specifying or installing lead, this needs to be considered from the start. It's also very resistant to corrosion, and with minor precautions can last for hundreds of years. But do you know how it's made? There are three types of manufacturing process. Rolled lead sheet, which is the only technique that manufactures lead to British Standard 12588-2006. Sand casting and machine casting. Almost all new lead sheet is manufactured from recycled lead. Which is melted down in a kettle. Lead sheet was traditionally manufactured using sand casting, which was developed by the Romans, and is a technique still used today by a number of companies in the UK. The liquid lead is poured onto a bed of sand, with this process used essentially on historic buildings to replace existing lead. The majority of lead used in the UK, which is manufactured to BS 12588, uses recycled lead, which is formed into a slab rolled to the lead code, and then cut into rolls that you see being used on site. To see the full processes which show the rolled sheet manufacture and the traditional method of sand casting, refer to our associated films.